Hello, my name is Hannah and welcome to this introduction video to my channel. If you are learning English, whether you are a beginner or an expert, this might be the place for you. First, let me tell you a bit about myself. Why would you want to learn English from me? I am a teacher and writer living in the UK. I have been teaching English as a foreign language since 2012, so for over 10 years, which makes me feel quite old. I have taught English living abroad in foreign countries as well as here in the UK. Teaching in a classroom to groups or on an individual basis or online. I therefore have extensive experience teaching all ages and levels ranging from A1 to C2. I have helped many students prepare for their Cambridge or IELTS exams, so I intend to include videos on how to pass these exams as well. I also teach English literature in secondary school here in the UK. My background is in literature, having done both my undergraduate and master's degree in literature. Finally, I am also a writer. I have published a novel and several short stories. On this channel then, I intend to focus on all areas of learning English as a foreign language, from basic to more complex grammatical structures, being able to converse fluently, pronunciation, and general language topics. But I also plan to include more conversational, casual videos discussing subjects such as the top 10 mistakes that even native English speakers make, or the difference between British English and American English, discussing current events, perhaps giving you a glimpse into the life and culture of London and the United Kingdom more broadly. In terms of accents, I have a generic English accent, sometimes referred to as RP or received pronunciation. We'll think a bit about the different regional accents you can find, both in the UK and in other countries as well. With my background in writing and literature, I will also include videos on how to develop and improve your writing skills, how to sound more eloquent, how to convey your ideas more clearly, how to write both formally and informally. I have another channel focused at the British educational system, which has in-depth analysis of literature, so poems, plays, novels. Therefore, if you are interested in the world of English literature, or you want to learn more about it, and your level of English is advanced, I would suggest you have a look at that as well. I will link the channel in the description below. So there you have it. If you are seeking to improve your English, whether conversationally, academically, for business, for interest, for pleasure, or because you have an exam to pass, I would be delighted to help you on your English learning journey. Stay tuned and feel free to subscribe to stay up to date with videos that will be published every week. Perhaps more in future, we'll see. If you have any questions or requests, please leave them in the comments below. I look forward to hopefully seeing more of you. Bye for now.